Auntie Nkechi, if you've been applying this as a face cleanser because you have acne, please stop it from today, because you can burn yourself due to ignorance concerning a particular product you use. So if you want to use this on your face, please don't use this as a face cleanser. I see so many people taking their cotton wool and they start applying this on their face. No, please, if you've been doing that, stop it, because that is not the right thing to do. Hello, welcome back again. So if you're just seeing me for the first time, this is HBM. So today we want to talk about how to clear body acne, how to clear body spots, how to clear rashes, how to clear ringworm off your skin. So if you know you've been having issues like this, you've been having ringworm, you've been having rashes, you've been having body spots, you've been having body acne, it keeps going and coming, you've been having rashes that keeps going and coming, you've been having scaly skin, you've been having bad skin, like you've tried so many products, it is not working, then worry no more, because with this product here, you're going to have a flawless, beautiful skin. So watch this video to the end, because I'm going to tell you the best way to use this product. Trust me, so many people have been using this product wrongly on their skin. I've seen so many reviews about people that use this, but they are using it wrongly on their skin. First of all, I want you to know something. This is highly concentrated. This shouldn't be applied only on the skin. So if you want to use Dettol to have a beautiful, flawless skin, you want to use Dettol to achieve a spotless skin, or you're treating bacteria, skin infection, you need to include this into your routine, into your skincare routine. So as we all know, this product you see here is a personal care product that almost everybody in their home worldwide has. So out of 100%, let me say 80% of population uses Dettol liquid as an antiseptic and antibacterial agent. So what is the main ingredient that this contains, and why shouldn't you apply this directly on the skin? The active ingredient that this contains is actually called chloroxylenol. So chloroxylenol is actually a particular active that helps to fight infection, that helps to get rid of bacteria. So this is the active ingredient in this, and trust me, you shouldn't use this, you shouldn't apply this directly on the skin, because it has to be diluted. Even the description written on it says you have to dilute it. You don't just apply this on your skin, and that is the mistake so many people have been making. I see them talk about Dettol and they just take Dettol and apply directly on their skin. No, it shouldn't be that way. So if you're having acne, you want to fight body acne with these, yeah, just drop like a full cup into your bucket of water. But if you want to treat acne, like you want to use this on your face, okay, and this is where I'm really heading to. You guys should know that we have different kind of skin problems out there, and the products we use also contribute to whatever skin challenges you are facing currently, because you can burn yourself due to ignorance concerning a particular product you use. So if you want to use this on your face, please don't use this as a face cleanser. I see so many people taking their cotton wool and they start applying this on their face. No, please, if you've been doing that, stop it, because that is not the right thing to do. So if you want to apply this on your face, you want to use this on your face, you want to treat acne, or you're having rashes on your face, or you have ringworm on your face, or you have any skin issue that you know that it is bacterial, then let me tell you how to use this. But if your skin issue is hormonal, I'm sorry to say this is not going to cure your hormonal skin problem. But if your skin problem is antifungal, is fungi and a bacteria, this is an antifungal, antibacterial. This helps to disinfect and treats every form of bacteria, period. So how do you use this for your face? Get a 400ml bowl of water, then you add 20ml of your Dettol inside 400ml bowl of water. You shake it, mix it very well, then you use it to wash your face. All right, so you can actually use this after you've used probably a face cleanser. Then you just go ahead and what I mean by face cleanser is face wash, because I know most of you will not understand what I mean by face cleanser. After using your face wash to wash your face, probably your acne face wash or whatever face wash you use in your routine, you go on and make this liquid, just the way I've explained right now. 20ml inside 400ml of water, then you use it to wash your face. After you might have washed your face with your face wash, use this lastly, and just let it absorb. So when it's absorbed, you can go on and apply your acne face cream, your spot remover face cream, and that is the best way you use this on your face. If you use this on your face the way I've explained right now, you're not going to have issue. But if you are always applying this directly on the face, all over your face, you're going to have skin issue. So when should you apply this directly on the face? Maybe you're having a boil, yeah, or you have a wound. You want to clean the surface of the wound. You just use it to clean only the surface where you want to treat. That is how you apply this directly on the skin. But generally, all over the body, you want to bathe, you shouldn't use this all over your body. It is not meant to be used only. It is meant to be diluted, and even the producer have describe this. Equally contains castor oil. It contains surfactant or soap. That is why you see it foaming. You can see this is actually foaming. Okay, even when you get Savlon, there's another bacterial liquid like this that they call Savlon. It's the one I use for my baby. I use Savlon for my baby. I use this one for myself because I need to take care of my skin. So when you see that is lathering. Okay, so it contains surfactants, or let me say soap for those of you that don't know about skincare. So it contains soap, and that is why you see it lathering. So you see why you need to actually dilute this. If not, if you use this as a face, as an overall facial cleanser, is going to alter the pH of your skin, and you may break out the more. You may even have sunburn. You may have hyperpigmentation. You may start developing other skin issues, and trust me, you don't want to go through all that. So I hope you now know that this is actually not a face cleanser. This is actually not a body cream, but this is actually a disinfectant for treating body bacteria, or for treating bacteria. And also, trust me, this can be used to mop the house. This can be used to do other things, just to keep the surface of your environment bacteria free. Anytime I want to make skincare products, I usually use this to clean the surface of my area too. And then I go ahead and spray the surface of my area with isopropyl alcohol, just to kill more bacteria, because trust me, when making skincare product, you don't want bacteria to get into your cream. If you're having rashes, your kids are having rashes, just get this and keep in the house and add into their water while they are bathing. And trust me, I've seen this working. This actually work. You can see this one is my own, and you see the level at which it is, for you to know that I'm using this for real. Auntie Kechi, if you've been applying this as a face cleanser because you have acne, please stop it from today, so that you don't start treating something worse than acne. So thank you so much. I'm going to see you in my next video. Please share this video. Thank you. Bye.